Lemon juice with lemon zest.
Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest update.
To prepare lemon juice with lemon zest. Ingredients: 1 lemons, 1 lemon zest, few dry or fresh mint leaves, chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 tablespoons honey or sugar, adjust according to taste, 1 glass water cold or normal, 2 pinch salt, 1/4 spoon black pepper powder. Instructions: wash the lemons thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Cut the lemons in half and extract the juice into a glass of water using a citrus juicer or by squeezing them manually. Remove any seeds from the juice. Add the lemon juice, chopped mint leaf, and grated ginger. In a juicer add this lemon juice, lemon zest, 4 spoons sugar. Blend well. Pour in a glass, add black pepper powder, pinch of salt, few dry mint leaf and ginger juice. Adjust the sweetness according to your taste preferences. Mix everything together. If you prefer a more concentrated lemon flavor, you can reduce the amount of water. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. It's ready to serve. Garnish with fresh mint leaves or lemon slices if desired. Stir the lemon juice before serving to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Enjoy your refreshing homemade lemon juice with lemon zest, mint, and ginger. This drink is perfect for hot summer days and provides a zesty, citrusy flavor with a hint of freshness from the mint and warmth from the ginger. Lemon juice with honey, salt, chaat masala powder and pepper powder. Ingredients: 1 lemons, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 to 3 pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 cups water, still or sparkling, as per your preference. Instructions: squeeze the juice from the lemons in a glass of water, making sure to remove any seeds. Sprinkle the salt, chaat masala powder, and pepper powder into the pitcher, and sugar. Mix everything together. Add honey and stir well. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill and allow the flavors to melt together. Stir the lemon juice before serving to make sure the flavors are well incorporated. You can garnish the glasses with a lemon slice or mint leaves, if desired. Serve and enjoy your tangy and refreshing lemon juice with the delightful combination of honey, salt, chaat masala powder, and pepper powder.
Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest update.